Hello friends, today we will learn about the Tableau. Okay, here I have got some data of people killed during the encounter in the US. Okay, this is a dashboard which I have created. Let us show me what is the data, how I have loaded it, and how I proceed to this. How I have created the Tableau views and make it as a dashboard. Okay, let's begin. Okay, these are the files here. Here 2015 data and 2016 data is given as a people detail. Okay, who are the people died in the encounter? Those details they have given. Okay, and here the mapping. Let me open the file. See, okay, it is here the detail of the people. Okay, gender, their gender. Here M and the male and M is the same one and the same. So these are the details of the people. And same thing is there for the 2016 data and mapping. In the mapping, what is mapped with what they have given it. See, this is here RC means race, either it was killed by the race, the white, black. Okay, and armed, what is the status of the victim? It is the armed status of the victim, whether it is they have the arm or not, like that. And the state, which state they belongs to. Hmm? And then classification. In the classification, how they die. Okay, died in custody, gunshotted, like that. Is the classification is there. Hmm? And then agencies, which agencies, that is nothing but the police stations, the sheriff office. Okay, which agencies, government agencies is killed who's, how many people. Okay, so let us see how to load it in Tableau. Hmm. First we need to open the Tableau file. Let us right click here, open Tableau file. Since I have a trail version, continue trail, this screen will open. In order to load the CSV file, we need to go to text file, but we have both the files in Excel. Okay, so first thing, we have to load 15 and 16 as a single file. Then we have to connect it with the mapping file. Okay, so we have to load Microsoft Excel only. Here I have loaded only these three files is required, but I have how to load it, how to merge these two data directly in the Excel, directly in the Tableau, that I will try to show you. Here we can't merge the two files can't be combined as a single file. Let us try. Okay, I load the first data here. This is the first data is automatically loaded here. Then I add the second data to it, Microsoft Excel. Second data I have added. Okay. Now I will try to convert this into union. As we know that union will show the data one below the other. So I will try to drag this here. See, it is no option is coming here. Even though it is converted into union, but here nothing is added. Okay. So we can't do that. In order to do it, we have to open the file in a single Excel sheet. Okay, so here this is a single Excel sheet which I have made in order to show you. Hmm. Two sheets. Sheet 1 has 2015 and sheet 2 has 2016 data. This is the 2015 data and this is the 2016 data. This we can combine, make it as a union. Okay, let's try. I will show you here only by adding the earlier table file only. We can reopen it once again. See, I go to my. This is the file which I have shown you. Okay, so open it. Hmm. See here the number of sheets which is available in that Excel is visible. So we can drag it once here, and then we can open it. Here also we can do like this. Also you can do. It will show the union. Hmm. It will show the union. This option is also there, but I will prefer to go to the convert to union. Then I will drop it here so that we can easily judge whether it is comes or not. Okay, so, and apply. Okay, you can if you want to cross check it, you can just close this one and you can double click on this, and then you can edit, go and edit option, edit union, that will be here. Okay, you can also do like this also, this method also. You can just drop it, then click on the double click, or double click on this, or drag here. Okay, and you can drag it and place it as a union. So double click on it, then you can go and edit a union, so it will be there. Like this also you can do. Hmm. Now, whether data came or not, how to check it, cross check it. Very important to cross check. So I have made a single Excel sheet, which is this 2015-16 data only. How many counts are there? Triple to six counts are there. Since first is a header one, triple to six count is there. Let us check whether the count will match or not. Okay, I will take the name column here. Name column, or add all items, members. Okay, just count it. Measure maximum count. See, and then good. Triple to six. So it is coming perfectly, loading perfectly. The data is loading perfectly. Okay, this is in order to create a dashboard like this, we need to create a first number of count of killings. Okay, that is how many people were killed in the encounter, that we need to make it first. So let us make the count of killing measured calculated value first. You can simply go to any see here, measure is there. Okay, or else you can go here also, create, create calculated field. I will give it as count of COUNT killings. Count of killings, kings not killings. Counts of killings. It is simply, you can just type count, count, then name column you can do. Delete this one. Simply apply. Then okay. See, count of killing is created. We can easily drag it and see the count here. So every time we are going to, in all the views, in all the sheets, we are going to use the count of killing. That's why I have created one count of killings. In order to create the donor chart, donor graph, we have to create one more donor calculated field. Okay, that I will show you while I'm creating the donor chart. These are the instructions which they have provided us. Okay, or I have taken it. First thing, the data sets 2015-16, we need to merge it first. Create a data model by merging both the files. Okay, and use the mapping.xls file to capture the details of each record. That we need to map it, join the file with the mapping.xls. Okay, then this first part is we can do it. Second, design the following KPIs. So this is the following KPIs. First, monthly trend of killing of all the killings. Then state graphical analysis of the count of killing. See, everywhere count of killing is there. This year count of killing. Breakup means how many males are there, females are there. Then what are the maximum five agencies? That is a killing. Identify the top five agencies of killing. Create a view to race wise. We have to separate, and then how many victims status, armed status of the victims. Okay, let's begin with this part first. Here we have go to dashboard. Then already we have loaded the file. We have make it as a single union. Then we have to add it by yourself Excel only. It is not the CSV file. Then mapping is the file. Okay. Now, in mapping, agencies are there, armed status is there, classification are there, RC is there, there is race count. Okay. Then states are there, state codes are there. Here, let us find the first agency. Okay. See here, when we click on the agency, here agency code is there, whereas in this agency code is nothing but the law enforcement agency. Okay, that is a code here. This is the code. Okay, and here if you go through, then this is there, it is in here. See, this is same code is there. Okay, next, armed status. Armed status, if you click on this one, it will show the path. We can select the armed status code, and then here armed status, right? Hmm. See, status code is a stat one, like that in ARM status, and then here ARM status is there. ARM status is stat one, like that. Okay. Then classification. Classification. Just drag it and drop it. It will show you. Just click on here, baseline. Then classification, classification code. Then here in this one, class code. Okay, see, classification code is ABCD, and then here if you come here, class code is ABCD. Okay, then RC. Okay, automatically I have taken, see, RC code and RC code, the common column is there, so it is automatically taken the columns. Then state code is not available, but latitude and longitude is available. So we need to convert the latitude and longitude into the convert to state, and then we need to create the code. I just map the state by using the address only. I know this is a wrong analysis. Okay, see, just state code and address. It will match it. Address of the status. Address of the state. See, this is the code. State code and state name is there. But if you see here in this table, no state code is there, no state name is there. Only latitude and longitudinal are there. Okay, only latitude and longitudinal is there, and addresses is there. So either we can map with address or latitude, longitudinal, anything is possible. Okay, this all these are mapping are done. Let us begin with the first analysis. I will explain you in the final dashboard result which I have created. Okay, this is the most monthly killing trend. I have plotted it. See how I did it means, here I have taken the monthly in the sheet month. I have taken as I shown you that I have created count of killing. If you want, I will show you this. See, I have the count, just the name of the counts I have done. Okay, so that I can easily create a number of counts. No need to every time define the counts, all those things. Okay, so I have taken the month here. This month I have taken. Okay, and then count of killing I have taken down. Afterwards, I have selected this chart, so that I kept the year in the filter. Year in the filter. Hmm. Okay. Only these three I have used. Since I have used the dashboard in order to create a dashboard, all the things will come here. Well, if whatever used here, that appeared in this way. Okay. So year, month, and aggregate function of the count of killing. Then I have created a year in the column. I will show you how I did that one. I have opened a new sheet here. Just drag it, month column, and then you can drag the count of killing here. After that, you can drag the year. See, this appears every time. Whatever the sheet I have opened in spreadsheet, also this will come because this is used in the dashboard. Okay, and then in year you can apply the filter. Here you can drop it in. Select. Okay, apply. Okay. Hmm. Then you can drop the year also in this color also, so that you can get the different colors. You can click on here. Hmm. In order to get the total, you can move and just press the average line and drop it in the cell. Okay, so the line will appear here. Just click on it, go to edit option. Here average will be there, make it as a sum. Here make it as a value. Okay, press OK. Line if you required, not required, it's your choice. Click no. Okay, and then if you select, if you want this in the middle, then just click on here, right click, then format. This custom alignment is there, then you can show it in the middle. Hmm. You can change it here, bold also, any color. Okay, background color and numbers you can select, many things you can do. This is clear. Okay, let me show you how to create the second graph. Second is donor. Hmm. This one, how to create it, I will show you that. In order to clear the sheet, you can just press here, clear, it will clear everything, and you can close this one and go to the dash data again. As I told you, in order to create the donut chart, you have to create a calculated field by the name of 0, only typing the 0 here. Then you can close it. You can just drop it in the rows. Okay, again, just nothing came here. You can make this as a entire view. Okay, nothing came here, straight line except straight line. Why? Because here we need to select the pie chart. Okay, so the pie chart is a circle chart, so it is appeared as a circle. One more time you just drag it. Wait, before that you have to increase the size a little bit. Okay, of this one, and one more time just uh, drag it and drop it here. You can do this later part also. Then you can right click here, just dual axis. Hmm. And two charts will come here. See here, two charts will appear here. Hmm. You can decrease one size, one chart of size. Okay, and then you can make the color as white. Okay, here in this way, like that, you can get the donor chart. And after that, after the donor chart, if you want to plot the male and female, hmm, for that, here I have created the by the name gender encounter. I have created the file here, because if I drop the gender here, suppose, sorry, if I drop the gender here, okay, and then count of killing, count of killing, 4 value will come. Whereas our analysis is wrong in this way. Okay, where female is nothing but F and male is nothing but M. Okay, so we need to create only two values. In order to create only two values, I have created the calculated field by the name gender encounter. Okay, wait, I will show you what is there in gender encounter. Then we will plot it. See, case when statement I have used. Case statement when male is and then male. When M is there, then male. When female is there, this is the statement which I have used. Okay, so by this way, if you plot it, it will come the exact value. Just use instead of gender encounter in this case, then it will be the same. Okay, here number of counts it is showing 1800 and 102 females. Okay, you can define it as a percentage also. In order to define it as a percentage, what you need to do, just percentage of total. Okay, but here the chart is 50-50. But as we know that by seeing this only percentage, 94% is the for more than 5.5%. Why it is happening? We have not selected the angle here. You just hold the control button and press the angle. Sorry. So this aggregate function you have to show. Okay, because this is a percentage value. See, aggregate function, if you show it, it will show the angle, but it is not showing the percentage here. So hold the control button and then detail. You can simply press here. Okay, so this is how we got the donor chart. Let's move further. Clear this sheet. These are top 5 killings are there. This sheet, how to make it. Uh, just find the agencies who are present here, and you can filter with agencies. Show edit filter. Here, if you come by field, top 5 we can give. If you apply it, only top 5 will be appear. In order to get these logos, what you need to do, you have to click on the shapes here, select the shapes here. Okay, then this shape will appear here. You can click on the shape. Hmm. See, here first thing you have to select the agencies on which you need to apply the shapes in under the shapes. Okay, then just click here and drop here agencies to the shape. Okay, and then shapes, click it, the agencies will appear. What are the shapes are there? Then you can select the default here. I will show you where to put these shapes. See, I have entered the shapes here, different shapes here. If I select it and place it, select one thing, it will be applied. Okay, where to put this? Only png file can be loaded. Okay, then let us take you to the path where it is actually. So this is the path. C drive, program files, Tableau, 2022, defaults, then shapes. Okay. So here anything you can select. You can't create it a new one because it's not it will not displaying there. Anything you can select. I have select the rating only. Then I have put it the PNG only. See the file is PNG file format. See .png file only. PNG only it will work. Right. Okay, this is how I got it. Now race of killing. Like this only I have entered it. Let's move this below here. Okay, right. You can apply the filter also. I have removed the others and unknowns because others and unknowns we don't know who they are. So I removed it. And then this is a count, aggregate count. I have dropped it, and this is a thing only to compare it. Okay, armed status also I did same thing. Only I have taken the this graph first one. Okay, and I changed the values. I changed the shapes. I added the shapes to that. Hmm. And I dispute fireman, firearm, knife, no lethal vehicles. Okay, I filtered here also. Others and unknowns I have removed it. Right. Then final part is this state-wise killing. Hmm. State-wise killing. How to do it? Latitude and longitude. How to drop it? I will show you. First, let us create latitude and longitude. Let us see here whether the data is updating or not. Okay. So it should be latitude only. Geographic role. It should be latitude only, and here it should be longitude only. Yeah, longitude only. Okay. Then you can drop it in x-axis and y-axis, columns and rows. Either way you can take, or else I can reverse it. Any way it's possible. Longitudinal on the x-axis and latitude on the longitude as a columns and row in the row latitude. Okay, so this graph will appear here. If it is not appeared here, then you can go to the map, background layers. After that, this layers whichever you want, you can select it. Since here only state is required, so I selected so such that states will appear here. Okay, now only one dot is appearing here, but I need all the people, all the location of the all the addresses of location. So I can drag and drop the addresses. Here in the map you can edit it. Hmm. I can let me drag the addresses first. Close. Let me drag the addresses. Where is the addresses? Yeah, addresses is here. If I drag it here, it will show color, okay, or else if I drag it here, it will show in a single color. Let us show in the different colors, right? So in order to view the map, we can click it here and move option, select it, then we can easily move the. But we need the numbers also. For these addresses, how many people are killed? Obviously, only one people will be killed on the each addresses. So we can give the count of killings. Count of killings. We can enter in the labels. Okay, so this will be 1 1. Got it? Okay, so our dashboard is finished now. What we did, let us revise. So uh, monthly killing trend. So this we did it from the sheets only. Month is an aggregate function we have made as a count of killing. Next, killing by state. Okay, this is a single color I have not entered here. I just drop it in the down. Okay, so and then sheet 7 donut chart. For this donut chart, what we used, we have used gender here in the gender. I created the gender encounter separate one where male is M, female is F. Okay, all everyone is the same one. Then top five killings. Okay, here for top five killings, I have used killing agencies. Agencies I have used as in the columns, and count aggregate function which I have created. I have used it in the rows. Then I filtered it. Then race, for race I have used the race one here, races. Okay, race. Then arm status, I have used the arm status here. Arm status here. Okay, so this is a classification. I have used the classification here. Okay, for arm status classifications, I think they're not asked, so I will not find out it. Let me check the instructions. What is there in classification? Okay, how they died? They have not asked the question. Hmm. If they ask, then you can also do the classification here. Let us show you how to do it in this sheet only. I will clear it. The extra sheet I have created, I cleared it. Okay. As usual, count of encounter, we have to put count of killings in the number of rows. Let us make this as since I have applied the filters and all those things, so the number is not coming accurately. Let it be. Then we have to move to classification name. Okay, so that we can get all the things. Let's so how many are there? This much of the things. Simple it is. You can add the label also if you want shapes, different shapes also you can add. You can increase this from here. Let me create this one also, the header, that is the count of encounter and classification. We can add the total also here. For that we have to go for the analysis, total, show total. Okay, show column grand total. We can also add the total row wise or column on the top, column total on the top to the top. Here options are there available. You can you want to show the column grand total. So if I click it, the grand total will be appeared here. Okay, let me show you how I created this one. See, if you go to the here new dashboard, then the monthly is there. Just drag it. It is simple actually. It's simply just drag it and make it the alignment here. Hmm. Then the donate chart. Okay. Afterwards, the top five killings. I simply drag and drop it and arrange the things. Right. So this is the final. How to just go to internet connection is there? Yeah, it is there. Server, then Tableau. Here, save to Tableau public as. Okay. Then you can easily connect with your Tableau public. Just type the mail ID, press sign in. See this error here, this is a trail version, so it is not allow us to. Okay, we need to create the extract. In the dash data source, here two options are there. One is live, one is extract. You can click on extract. It will save just a file. Okay, just one more time you repeat the process. Dashboard one. See, when you press the dashboard one, it will ask for the save. Hmm. I will save it on some modified location. Okay, save it. Then you can click on dashboard. Hmm. After this, you can server Tableau, save to Tableau public as. Then if you click it, then it will give the name of the file. Okay, whichever the name of the file you required. Since it is a crime analysis only, so I will save it. Mm, encounter. Okay, crime analysis. Save it. It will create a link for you. Since dashboards or more we have created, it will direct to the Tableau public link. If you don't have the public account, then you can create it one by your own. See, this is a file. Here, how to share it? You can click on the share. Then you can copy this one link and paste it to whoever you want. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Slightly modification I did. This is a final dashboard which I have created. The thing is same actually. Monthly killing rate, gender, everything is same. I have added only these two: count of encounters and classifications, and then this one which is showing the total stage. Okay. Let me show you how I created these two things. Okay. This thing I already shown how to create it. You just have to drag it into the worksheet. Only this thing I will show you now. To do so, what I did, I extracted state code from the address. Okay, that is the last word of the address is nothing but the state code there. Okay, I extracted that from here. I will show you how to extract in Excel only. Here also you can apply. See in the dashboard, I have created the calculated field. Count of killing. I not saved it. I think. Okay, you can create it one more time. Mm, just click on anywhere, then create calculated field. You have to just give the split command. Okay, split what you need to split the addresses, right? Addresses. Okay, split the addresses. Then how you need to split based on underscore. Okay, based on underscore. Now at what position it is? This is nothing but second underscore. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, if you press, you can add new sheet to see this one calculation rename. You can do anything. See uh, here, wait, I will put out the addresses also so that I can uh, okay. Hmm. So what this is taken? This is taken the third. Okay, we will put the one more here in the calculated field. Just change minute changes here. Edit. Just make it 3. Okay, apply. See here, the calculation is extracted, right? But if we do like this, we can't able to map it because this is not updated in the main sheet. So in order to map it, we have to just split the Excel sheet only. Just copy this one. I already did it here. I want in order to show you, I am doing it one more time. You can also apply the formula, select all things, then go to data, then column, text to column, delimited only it should be next. Here other you can select, you can say, type the delimited here which is underscore. Okay, see this is the column which we want. Finish. Remaining thing you can delete it. These two things you can delete it. You make it as a state column. Okay, and then delete this one. You can also do it by using the formulas, but that is the right and the find, like that. This find and right formula you can use. You can also do that one also. Okay, see, I will come to this dashboard. So this is the final dashboard. Okay, this is the final dashboard which I have created. And how I created this one is, if you create it like this, suppose we want to check the state wise. Okay, so which state is you have selected. If you unselect all those things, I will select the California only, because police were wrong in the California itself. Okay, so it will show the California result. Individual result will show. See, it will show the California result. So top killing is in California only, and the maximum killed in California itself. Therefore, total number of killing is done in California is the maximum one. So we can see that some injustice happened in the California state. Okay, how many agencies are there, and what are the number of killings. So how to create this one? Armed status, total agency. Okay, this is the creation one. Okay, so what I did is I have measured the value here. Okay, let me clear all the filter here so that I can show you easily. Now arm total agencies. See here, total agencies appear and grand total is appear in the top. How to do that? Let me show you how we did this one in the new sheet. Okay, so first is you have to take the state name. Just drag the state name here. The state name is appeared, and then agencies. You have to count the number of agencies. So status agency code. Okay, either you can take agencies or agency code also is okay. I will take agencies only. Filter with that. Okay. Okay, this gives the agencies, and then we have to count the number of killings. Drag it. Okay, now what we want the count of these agencies. So measure count, and then here also we want the if in this you can, it is already count only, so you can just click here. So what we require, we have to sort it by decreasing order. Okay, so we want the grand total here. I just rename this one, this column. See, the column I rename, I can select and edit alias and whatever name you have to give, and then you can give the name. Okay, and then you have to give the analysis total. So show the grand total. It has been shown. Okay, this here it is shown in the last only. So you can another again click and show the grand total at the top, so that it can be shown at the top, right? So in this dashboard you can add this one also, so that our analysis will be correct. Okay, we can say the whether police did a wrong thing or they did a correct thing. After all these encounters, what is the justification? And individual state also agencies also we can check, and also we can check here how many agencies are there, how many killings. So the individual states, state wise they did. Okay, thank you very much. I have given the link in my GitHub. I will show you that also. See here, I have uploaded it. Okay, and I will give the link in the description box so that you can easily refer it. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.